Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2005, The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody debuted. It had the most successful premiere on the Disney Channel that year with 4 million viewers. The show followed the mischief of identical twins Zack and Cody Martin, who lived with their single mom at the Tipton Hotel in Boston. The Sweet Life would run for 3 seasons, be nominated for multiple Emmy and Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards, and have several spin-off series, games, and books. Hard to believe it started 20 years ago. Did you see it? Did you love it? I thought it was pretty good. Anyway, have a magical day.